In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export data to HTML format. Let's have a look at the inputs required for export to HTML.sk function. We will discuss all the arguments required for this function. First, let's go to the folder of the working activity and check the template file in the inputs folder. Going through the HTML template, we have to see what are the attributes and its values, from where the main code is started and its components, etc. We have created a sample template to push the data showing the main components of the code. They are static tags and repeat tags. Let's move back to the HTML template and fill the static tags and its values. Static tags are those fields that are fixed and have one-to-one mapping with the values that are provided in Excel. The values associated with these tags are static values. As shown, the data present in double quotes are static tags. Now let's fill them one by one in a single column of the working sheet. Now let's fill the values for the corresponding tags. We have to make sure that date is converted to text format. Moving to repeat tags now. Repeat tag is an array or range of repeating tag names. Let's list down all the tags. Let's list the report tags in the form of an array for corresponding repeat tags. We have prepared the report ranges for the corresponding report tags. Repeat range 1 and 2 for report tags 1 and 2 respectively. Fill the location of the template which is present in the inputs folder of the working directory. We can find it using relative path function. Similarly, fill the path of the file that is to be exported. Now, let's fill all the required arguments for export to HTML.sk function, which include the template's location, output's location, static tags and its values, repeating tags and its report tags and ranges. Here, report argument is used to provide the order or sequence of data that will be exported to HTML. The data is provided within the report.sk function. This is followed by data for second repeat tag, which is repeat range, report tags, and report.sk respectively. Providing all the details of arguments in the export to HTML function will generate the HTML file. After this, run the book to generate the output in the mentioned file destination. Now let's look into the output file. So this is how it looks. You can see how the tags are aligned and the final order that we have specified in report argument. Thank you.